Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python dictionaries. So dictionaries are used to store data values in key. That means value pairs. A dictionary is a collection of ordered, changeable and does not allow duplicates. So it will help you to adjust all the things in the ordered. So now on screen you can see that I have mentioned my dictionary here. That included brand, model and year of a particular car. So if you want to change or update this particular data, you will be able to, but you will not be able to allow any duplicates over there. So that's how you can create and print a dictionary. So dictionaries are written with the curly braces and have the key and the values. So here on screen, you will always write dictionary details in your curly braces only. Then only you will be able to run. So I will write one dictionary here. That is, I have mentioned the brand, model and year of a particular car. Okay. So I have given the name as a car and I have mentioned all the details I want to. As you can see, I have mentioned in the curly braces only. Okay. To access for getting the access of this particular car, what I will do, I will just write some codes here and then we will see are we going to able to run this particular program or not. Okay, so in that case, for writing the access, what I will do, I have to mention the variable name, that is x I have mentioned. Okay, and then I have to mention what all the details I want to do. So I will write print of cars, that is car dot get of and other detail. I want to get the detail, that is details of years. I will write the details of years. Okay, so now let me run this program and I will get the detail of year, that is 1964. Yeah, the updated the year is 1964 there only. So that's how you can get the details. Now let me change the updates. I want to change some updates here. How can I update the particular model? We can update in this case because it is a changeable process. So I will write car.update of inside the curly braces that I want to update any one of the model, like a brand, model, year, anything you like to update, you can mention here. So I inside the quotation I will write the brand. Okay. What I will update to? I will update it to any other name, that is Alto. Okay, fine. I will change the Ford to Alto. Okay. Now print car dot get of brand. Okay, let me run it. See, now if I'm going to write anything in the brand, I will get Alto because I have updated that file. That is why we are going to get the Alto over there. So that's how you can update a particular file. So how can you add anything inside your dictionary? If you want to add some details, how can you add in that case? So it is very easy to add. Like if you want to add any details that is into the dictionary, that will help you to know about the branding or any details that is related to car, then for that I have to mention one code there. So it will help me to do that. So I will mention I want to add the color. Okay, fine. So I will just write color, that is equal to red, and then I have to mention what is the name I have to mention, right? Like where I want to update this. So there I will write, I will just change the name of dictionary here to car. Okay. So here I have mentioned the color. The color should be equal to red. Okay. Then print of car dot get of color. Okay, let me run. So some error is there. We have to provide the indentation over there, then only it will work it properly. Indentation error was available, that is why we are going to change it, and now I have got the color. That is how can you update a color in that. So if you're going to write a color, you will get it in case of R. So let me remove. How can you remove? For removing, we have to write the pop of key. So in that case, I will write car dot pop of color. So it will remove the particular color. So let me again run the print this. So we will see, are we going to get this again or not? So see, you will not get none because I have deleted the color variable. That's why it is not getting that. So that's how you can create it. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.